Hey loves, it's Celeste. Today I'm showing you how to apply strip lashes for real life moms, teachers, working women, beginners. This one's for you. Simple, fast, and stress free. Let's get into it. First thing you will need is some lash glue. You can use clear or black. In today's video, I'm using clear. A pair of scissors just in case you need the lashes to fit your eye, and some tweezers to hold those lashes while you put them in place, and a mirror compact so you can see up close, of course, and a pair of lashes. I'm using La Flare CF102, and let's get started. So we have the lashes. I'm wearing La Flare. I love La Flare lashes. It doesn't irritate me. So it have 6 in it. So I'm matching up the left and right side, of course. So I'm pulling off the left side. I said, thank you, God, that it did not pull apart. And I'm measuring. So I'm going to bend my lash. That's what I usually do when I take it right out the pack. So I kind of bend it a little bit, make sure it's measured, and I'm making sure that it is fitting the size of my eye. So always do that before you attach glue. So I'm making sure, so the corner is a little bit longer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a pair of my scissors, and I'm just going to cut 2 of the extensions off at the end, make sure that it fits my eye. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure, again, I'm going to measure it and it fits perfectly. So now what I'm going to do first is put on mascara. That is the trick of your lashes staying on 24/7 and it's not flying up all over the place. So mascara will definitely be your best friend. So please apply mascara on, and I'm using L'Oreal mascara, but it doesn't matter what mascara you're using, and I'm let it dry. And then I'm going to go ahead and hold my lashes with my tweezer, and I'm going to go ahead and use my lash glue. It is a brush. It's hard to get off, ain't it? And I'm going to apply it around the rim of the lash. And yes, it's clear. I just want to show you guys how to apply it perfectly on the rim of your lashes. You don't have to apply a lot, just a little bit, but make sure you get your corners and towards the end so it can be really secured throughout your busy day or morning, however, whatever you're doing. So I am now going to get my mirror compact. So it is like a magnifying glass so you can see up close, so you can see how to glue. So it's really best to do that so you can see how you're applying your lash. So I'm just laying it down on top of my lash, and I also like to use my fingers as well. Sometimes the tweezers do get stuck with the glue, so I like to go in and use my fingers. There's nothing wrong with using your fingers, and I'm just pressing down to make sure that it is secured. So I do like to use the tweezers to hold it in place, and I love this technique. So I had to put the mirror down because I had to make sure I put this lash on correctly. So I love how it gives me this wing look. I really do love it. And I'm just making sure towards the end that it is looking good, you guys. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Apply mascara to your lashes on the opposite side of your eye. You don't have to put too much, but long as that is enough for it to be sticky for your lashes to last 24/7 while you at work. So I already put glue on the rim of this lash, and what I'm going to do is use the tweezer. I have it right there in the middle, right underneath the rim, which is appropriate and the correct way of doing it. I'm going to apply it right there in the middle on top of my lashes, and I'm making sure that it's sticking. And then what I'm going to do next is, you can use your tweezers, but I also want to show that you can use your fingers. If you're not good with tweezers, it's okay. You don't have to be upset about it. You can use your fingers. It's okay. Your fingers is excellent to use because you're going to press down in the inner corner, in the middle, and the outer corner. So you're going to make sure that your lashes also are even. And I feel like I nailed this, you guys. I haven't worn lashes in a minute myself, so I feel glamorous. So this is for all my real life working moms and teachers, nurses, all over. So I really do like these lashes. They are called LaFleur, and this is CF102. It comes with 6 inside, and I really do like it, you guys. I want to say thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hype this video up if you guys want a part 2 for more real life beauty. I'll see you guys very soon, and turn your bell on so you guys can know when I will drop makeup hacks and makeup looks.